Hello friends, welcome to my channel ITHACKBOTS. Nowadays we all are using Android smartphone, but at some period of time our phone becomes slow. But today I gonna show you a trick how you can speed up your smartphone without deleting any file or installing any external app. So please watch the video till end because today you gonna learn a new trick and you are watching ITHACKBOTS. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. To make your phone faster, go to the settings option, click on the settings, then click on the about phone. As I am using Redmi now, so I will go to the option MIUI version. If you are using Samsung, you will get an option known as build number. Click on the MIUI version 5 times. So as you can see, you are now a developer. So click on the back, go to the additional settings. Now go to the developer option. Now you will find window animation scale over here. Just scroll down. Here is the window animation scale. Here you can see animation scale has been set in 1x. Just click it and change it into 0.5x. Now click back. Now you can check your phone how fast it is working.